Yo, good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Vichy Kevin, and welcome to our YouTube channel, named How to Guide. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can create yourself a Google Pay account. But for those people who do not know Google Pay is simply you just link your credit card to or debit card to your Google account, and basically your Google Pay account is created. And what you can do is you can use that account to pay for like bills online or like for anything associated with Google. Alright. So that's basically like the job of Google Pay. So to create a Google Pay account is pretty simple. You just need to have a Google account. Any Google account will work. So basically people get confused when we say Google Pay account, like they think like they need to create a different account or different stuff, but no, it's pretty simple. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let me show you guys how you guys can create a Google Pay account now. First thing is you want to search for Google Pay. After you search for Google Pay, what you want to do is you want to click on over here where it says Google Pay over here. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the Google Pay and ask you to log in into your account. When I log in into your Google account, all right, so basically you just create a Google account, come over here, log in into your Google account. After you log in into your Google account, you want to click on add a payment method and add a payment method. By that I mean you want to add a debit card or credit card, whatever thing you want to add over here. Once you add it, basically it's done. So it's simple. You just add a payment method on your Google account and your Google Pay account is created. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand. If you guys were confused, you can ask me in the comment. But if you guys are not confused, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. See you guys in my future video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day, everybody.